What is going on YouTube? Up next, Crypto Danny here, back again with another video for you guys, and this is the top of the line platform day. You guys have been asking for it, you guys have been needing it more than anything else out there right now, and that is the top 4 platforms that we're going to be seeking for next month. I know we did the May top 4, but these are the ones that you guys need to be looking out for the very near future, guys. These guys are freaking killing it right now in the industry. Some of these ones are going to be meme type of tokens. Some of them are going to be ones that have real utility to the tokens itself. There's going to be a top 4 right here, and we're going to go into depth about each single project, what they're doing, some of the things that's coming up for them. Some of them we've even looked at in the past, so this is going to be a really fun time, and I cannot wait for you guys to check these platforms out. All the links will be in the description below for you guys with timestamps, so you guys can go straight to the video that you guys like to watch and the platform that you want to see. But I would give you guys one advice, is to check out the other platforms in the video as well, because it might just be something that's up your alley, man. I'm telling you, when we do the top 4, it's 4 crazy dope platforms right now in the industry, 4 with top potential, and that's why they make it into these videos. You guys know how exclusive these videos are, and this is the reason why they make it into the top 4 videos, is because they really have some serious potential for 2021. So give them all a look, check out the whole video. If you enjoyed it, leave a comment down below, and let's jump into the video and start it off with Gigapool. I know you guys know Giga Chad and the whole Giga vibe that's been going around, but let's look at Gigapool, Giga rewards, and all sorts of stuff with the Giga token. Boom. So here we are with the Giga Chad right here. Look at that freaking jawline, man. What a beaut. And he's got the eyes glowing, man, because you know that's the crypto vibe. But this whole platform, the Gigapool, is actually a liquidity vortex DeFi powerhouse, guys. The frictionless yield, auto liquidity generation, and Giga rewards. The moon is approximately 38.44 billion centimeters from the earth, which is their total Gigapool supply, which is pretty cool that they have that worked in like that. You can engage with the Giga missions and buy on PancakeSwap with the slippage set at 7%. If you click on this button, it'll take you directly over to PancakeSwap, where you're gonna be able to see what you're dealing with, connect your wallet, and start picking up the Giga token. It is right there. You guys can swap it around, see how much 1 BNB will actually get you. And it's a ton, guys. So you can, it's a very cheap price for a token, and again, tons of potential for a low price token like this to reach some huge moon numbers. The contract address is right there, so you guys can grab it and get into it right away. The Giga stats is coming soon, and together they reach the moon. As you guys can see, the Giga pool is the 2% tax is actually taken on every transaction added to the Giga pool. And if you guys are the last user to buy Giga from the pool, 500k minimum, and the following 7200 blocks adjustable by vote contain no Giga pool transaction, and you win the pool contest. If another buy is made within these blocks, the timer is actually reset and a new buyer is in the running, and they expect the pool to just get bigger. The liquidity vortex itself, it's got a 2% tax and is taken on each transaction, and half is automatically sold and added to liquidity, deepening the LP obviously. And they've got frictionless yield, so 2% tax is taken on all transactions and distributed between the Giga holders frictionlessly, and you do not need to do anything, just hold and enjoy the rewards. The Abyss, guys, 44% of the total supply will be burned in the Abyss at launch, and this address is also eligible for yield, which will actually accelerate the protocol deflation, and any unsold tokens from the sale will also be added. And then the infinite liquidity locking, vortex liquidity, will be locked forever, so you guys have that. And they've obviously got a fair distribution, so due to the sales supply limits, there are no whales, and distribution is in the favor of the holders. The token itself, guys, like I said, 38.44 billion total supply, and the token distribution is laid out as well within the Abyss, the Giga sale, the strategic partnerships, and the liquidity. And they've got a wonderful roadmap leading us over to their light paper and white paper launch, the protocol launch, the token sale itself, the fair distribution, the launch of the Giga pool, the exchange listing, CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko listings, marketing pushes out there, contract audits, community growth, and ecosystem development. And then you can join the Gigapool Army, man. Super cool communities. And if you guys want to check these guys out, I would definitely highly recommend it because they've got over 2,700 members in the Gigapool Telegram with 372 on. Have a pretty decent sized community and over 5,000 followers on Twitter, man. Huge shout out to these guys. Listing happened on PancakeSwap. And if you guys want to keep up to date with all of the stuff that comes out with the Giga token, actually 1,000+ holders on here, you guys need to follow their Twitter because it gives you all the information about every single move that they make and every single new flex that these guys are on. It comes out here, it says hello Chads. As you guys can see, all of the information is provided for you guys to get into it, and I would definitely recommend you guys to follow them on Twitter and just keep up to date with their social media. The Gigapool smart contracts are complete at launch, and there are no more features to be added, and there's no individuals or team to be relied upon to give Gigapool any value. And obviously we are Anon Chads, so you got the Anon team and the light paper. If you guys are looking to get more information about this platform, the light paper is right there for you guys to check out, and it kind of includes the nitty gritty information where you might not get from the website. You will be able to get it to the light paper and check that out as well. Again, links to the platform will be in the description below for you guys to check it out. You can buy it on PancakeSwap. Don't forget to set the slippage to 7%. If you guys don't know how to do that, all you have to do is go here, click on these bars right there, and change this over to 7%, and you are set, and you can start trading for some Giga. Very nice to have that. Huge shout out to the platform. They're doing a lot of amazing things in the industry, but to move forward, we've got to bring you guys another platform that's totally killing it right now, and that's if you guys want to get rich, and that is the Richie Rich coin, guys. Why get rich? Because Rich is revolutionizing the DeFi token industry with a proprietary luxury tax model designed to reward holders by generating exponential growth through the high static reward system on the market. Again, Richie Rich, man, there's the boy right there running off with the bag and the money just stuffed all in his pants. The contract address is right there. Obviously, if you guys want to pick it up, you can go on PancakeSwap and pick up the Richie token, the Richie Rich. Continue, and the same idea, man. You guys can just buy it. 1 BNB will get you guys. Let's see. Boom. A hell ton of freaking Richie Rich coin, man. So definitely check this out. Their chart should be on PooCoin, and as you guys can see, the PooCoin BSC chart showcasing to us the Richie Rich token that is absolutely taking off. So guys, before this moons any further, please check this video out. Look at what we're talking about. This is the moon. This is the next moon, boys. It is already mooning. There's already a shit ton of buy orders coming in every single day, as you guys can see. So stop wasting time, man. Stop wasting time. Get on the platforms that we're talking about and check some of these guys out. But they're giving us investors multiple reasons to buy and hodl the Richie Rich coin. That's obviously including passive income as passive rewards, earning high statistic rewards in the industry, such as 15% on all transactions just for hodling, and 100% safe. Obviously, they've got liquidity pools, and all the variable wallets are locked for 4 years. They've got a deflationary feature, so 15% of coins burned immediately, plus 1% of all transactions burned. They're audited. Obviously, successful audit completed by Desert Swap BSC auditing services, and they've got the North American badge on there, so the development team is actually located in North America and verified by Desert Swap Audit, and the mobile game is in the works. So Richie Rich coin themed mobile game that allows you guys to use it, play around, earn more coins, that is on the way as well. If you guys want to check out the full audit report, it is on their website. All the links will be in the description below for you guys to check it out. But moving on to the roadmap, phase 1 was establishing the token, launching the website, external coin audit, and community building, and then the ICO, and then they increased the marketing after that in phase 2. CoinGecko, CMC listings, giveaways, AMAs, you name it, they've done it. There's partnerships, there was Whitebit, there was Delta, there's Blockfolio listings, there's merch coming, and the charities all happening in phase 3. Phase 4 obviously was the mobile game, the NFTs, and the major exchange listings, and phase 5 is coming soon. So you guys have to look to the long term with this platform. And the tokenomics by the numbers, as you guys can see, all the numbers are there with the initial total supply, the burns, the community supplies, the dev wallets, and the marketing wallets as well. And it is 100% safe because they've taken all the measures to protect you, including a fair public launch, a liquidity pool locked for 4 years minimum on DX Locker. The dev wallets are locked for 4 years minimum on DX FX Locker, and additional liquidity generated with every trade and locked on PancakeSwap. And how you guys buy this bad boy is simply visit thetrustwallet.com, download the application. The app is secure. Step 2, purchase BNB or BSC on Binance Smart Chain to fund your wallet. These are going to be used in the Binance Smart Chain. Step 3, go to dApps, click on PancakeSwap, and hop in and start using it, man. Super easy. All the steps are covered for you guys below. And once you're on dApps and click on PancakeSwap, you get an exchange. Allows you guys to swap BNB for DeFi tokens and swap for that Richie Rich. Select the currency, enter the contract address right here, and the slippage set it to 25%. If you guys don't know how to do that, you guys have to go right here and type in 25%, and then you guys are set to go. As you guys can see, slippage tolerance up to 25%. If you guys want to get in touch with them, they've got their Twitter, Telegram, all of their social media links are at the bottom, and they've got a huge community on Twitter. Richie Rich Coin, 4,836 members, over 635 online right now, which is incredible. And then they've got the Richie Rich Coin Twitter, where you guys get in contact, man. You guys get to see all of their content that comes out ridiculously fast, and it is always out there for you guys to keep in touch with. More stuff coming to the Telegram, new things happening, the gem of 2021. These guys are all gems. Like I tell you, all these projects that I'm bringing you guys on this video are gems, so definitely check all of these projects out. And a huge shout out to the Richie Rich community, man. I love what they're doing on Twitter. I love what they're doing on Telegram, and they're doing a lot of different things that's going to be happening near Q3, Q4 of 2021. So stay tuned for that. Check them out. If you guys have any questions, make sure you get in contact with their community. And without further ado, one of my favorite platforms that we looked at in the past, the Megatech MGT token, the green sustainable energy, man, to the globe, bringing new things to Africa, bringing all the new amazing features of their platform to the community, solving the energy crisis, boys, in Africa while fighting global warming. What better platform than that? The referral bonus on the platform is 5% per refer, and they've got assets backed by their, like, they've got assets, guys. They've got underlying assets backing their token on the Apollo blockchain, and the token holders have 60% equity via the fractional ownership in the freaking company, which is insane. They've got guaranteed contracts that have been signed, securing income streams for years to come. 3,600 projected ROI. This 3,600% projected ROI and dividends coming soon. The SDO sale underway with purchase and referral bonuses, and the exchange launch near the end of May 2021. And we're gonna cover that, boys, when the exchange launch comes. We're gonna freaking cover that on the platform. If you guys are behind, and if you guys didn't get into the Megatech platform when I told you guys about the MGT token, you guys already flopped, but it's all good. It's all good. It's better late than never. And the sale is now live. All you have to do is click on buy now. There's a million places you can click on to get to the token sale. It is just so damn simple. So do not miss this one, man. It'll take you guys over to this countdown sort of thing where you see the end of sale in 9 days, 18 hours, and 45 minutes, guys. We're gonna be doing another video on these guys before the end of the sale. Just remember that, because when the sale is done and the exchange comes, good luck, man. The price is not going to be the same. If you guys want to get into the platform, all you have to do is sign up and register for an account, and then from there you will be able to buy and pick up some of the MGT tokens. I'm telling you, boys, you don't want to miss this one. We've got a video on these guys already. If you guys have not seen it, link will be in the description for the last video. And their media and marketing, guys. And guys, they've got an explainer video right here on YouTube, so let's watch it quickly, see what these guys are talking about on the explainer video, and see and give you guys our live reaction, man. We haven't done a live reaction in a little while, so let's check this out right now and see what these guys are talking about.
Closed, nothing works, and electricity bills are rising as energy companies pay a big carbon tax and continue to pollute the environment. But there is a solution: sustainable MGT projects. MGT Solar builds, owns, operates, and manages hybrid and energy storage facilities. It makes electricity clean, green, sustainable, and constantly available. Megatech Token is a security token that's backed by assets of MGT Solar. Token holders have 60% fractional ownership and equity in MGT Solar. Offtake agreements on the generated energy are already secured. It guarantees sustainable growth of business and token. Immediately after the close of the security token offering, Megatech Token is guaranteed an exchange listing at leading exchanges. MGT Solar activity is audited. MGT Solar will generate over $1 billion of projected net profit, which equals
I gotta say something about that, man. The $1 billion in potential profits, pretty damn incredible. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, and they are saying the 3600% number here, the big boy number. But all I want to say is that you guys have to look at this platform as something that hasn't done before. It really hasn't been done before in the industry. What other platform is doing what these guys are doing with the solar situation, the solar energy crisis in Africa? I've never seen a platform doing this. And when you think about an industry as big as the solar powered industry, man, these guys are gonna make a crap ton of money. So huge shout out to these guys for that.
3,600% return on investment. Not to be closed and have a stable business, you need a clean, green, sustainable, and constantly available electricity. Invest in green, sustainable energy for the globe. Invest in the future. Invest in MGT Solar.
Huge shout out to MGT, man. If you guys have not picked this token up, check it out. Tons of potential on this platform, tons of different things that's going to be happening with these guys in the near future, and more updates are coming, guys. Stay tuned. Another video will be coming on this platform because I need to keep you guys up to date with what's happening with MGT. And if you have not picked this up, man, I'm telling you guys, 9 days is a long time, so freaking get into it now and check it out. Anyways, guys, off to the next platform. Man, another beauty in the industry. It is crazy, it is insane. And today we are looking at the Elon's Moon Launcher, the decentralized meme token that grew into a vibrant ecosystem, guys. These guys are also killing it because anything that has the word Elon in it, I'm telling you guys, it's gonna be something. And that I have seen in the past, but these guys are a decentralized meme token, guys, obviously. So you know the potential with meme tokens. We've seen Doge, we've seen Shiba, we've seen Akira, we've seen the She coin, we've seen all the freaking coins out there. And Elon Moon Launcher, the ELCZ, is a Binance Smart Chain token. It is a meme coin, and the token is created to honor the founder, CEO, CTO, and chief designer of the SpaceX and Tesla, the Elon Musk man himself. He's been named after many new tokens. We've seen so many different ones in the industry, and unlike other meme coins that have no actual use case, the ELCZ ecosystem actually gives the investor a lot of privileges to use case, which is the IDO launchpad, the NFT and NFT marketplace, video games that they're going to have out, and staking and farming pools. This Elon Moon Launcher has the potential to outperform some of the big names that we've seen in the industry, especially one of them like Doge. That's just been freaking crazy, and one of the most important reasons why ELCZ can outperform all of the above tokens that these guys have mentioned, and one of the most obvious and clear reasons why this is going to be superior to the other coins like Doge, Shiba, and all the other ones listed above, is because they are on the ERC20 platform, man. They are on the Ethereum chain. What do we know about the Ethereum chain right now is that it's expensive in TX fees. It takes longer to send back and forth. And what these guys are doing is they are on the BSC, guys. It takes huge fees over on the ERC Ethereum chain, up to like $100 to $300 to buy even a small amount of coins. So small traders who want to invest $50 to $100 get left out. And since their coin is on the BSC, it's going to be different, man. The TX fees are very low. It becomes more lucrative for the traders and investors to invest, and they can see huge inflow of investors to this meme coin, and they can also have the allocated separate funds for the CEX listing and for marketing, which will ensure that this coin launches like Elon's rocket and goes to the freaking moon. The sale information, the private sale is 10 BNB per wallet. And after private sale, they got the pre-sale information here with 20 BNB per wallet and 0.01 BNB per wallet as the minimum. Now the tokenomics here, guys, the Elon's Moon Launcher, the ELCZ, is based on the BSC, and the contract address is all below with all the information, with the total supply of 1 million. So it is very exclusive. The team tokens are only 25 grand team tokens. So guys, remember, is very lucrative and exclusive with the fact that there's only 1 million total supply. So this supply is going to get taken up real quick, and you guys have to freaking buy this up while you can, because private and pre-sale only get 30%. So take you in, guys. Now the roadmap, CEX listing, that's Q4, but Q1 was hiring the devs, website design, minting of the tokens. Q2 was PancakeSwap listing, CMC and CoinGecko listing, CEX listings, the IDO, staking and farming, releasing of the first set of NFTs. Q3 was releasing the second and third set of NFTs, redesign of the website, CEX listing, NFT marketplaces, CEX listing again happening Q4, more projects to be launched, and video games as well. So there's a lot of freaking things that's going to be happening on the Moon Launcher platform and their communities. Obviously, Telegram and Twitter are going to be included in the two. And if you guys enjoyed this video, as I am sure you probably did, as you always do, man, hit that subscribe button, turn on the channel bell notifications, leave a like down below for us, talk about it, talk about what's going on, what project are you guys looking at, what are you looking at getting into, leave a comment down below what you think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Danny's out for now. Peace.